Hello everybody, I have recently been wanting to do this again, so I guess I'll make a video on it. It's just gonna be me doing some butterfly. Nice, flipping. Hopefully you fuckers can see this. Oh god, my Xbox, no! Stupid, fucking hit the button. Anyways, here it is. Not really that much to it. Just all in the wrist. Pretty sure y'all are gonna make some dirty ass jokes about that, but still, it's funny. So it's morely just as long as you keep your friggin' fingers off the sharp end. Meow, 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 meow. To all those people out there, I will see you later. And I'm out.